Lubricant chemistry management is taking your maintenance program to the next level so that you're actually in control of your lubricants. The life of the mechanical system is directly related to the lubricant life in many cases. While we can't avoid mechanical failure from an imperfection, say for example, we can eliminate the failure pathways mechanical systems suffer that are lubricant related. And essentially right now, the maintenance that's done in these systems is taking out the dirt and the water to try and extend the operating life of the equipment. But what's happening is the lubricant itself is failing from day one, where the performance of that lubricant is impaired over time. And on, say, a 6 or 8 year life cycle, the lubricant in year one is not performing as well as it did at day one, which is impairing the mechanical system, right? So what we're trying to do here is maintain the oil in its original form as long as possible and take that degradation cycle that would otherwise happen and absolutely minimize it so that we are, in essence, extending the operating life of the lubricant, but more importantly, maintaining that lubricant in an optimal lubricant condition from day one.